Welcome to Trisa's Food Lab. Add water in a vessel. Please keep the water more than the noodles so that when it cooked it will be not sticky. It will be get separated from each other. Please put 2 tablespoons of oil, salt to taste, I here used veg Hakka noodles of Ching's. You can add 2.5 packet in it. See to it the vessel should be bigger than here. I took a smaller than. After half cooked I changed it. So please see to it that this mistake never be happen from you. So it start boiling. If it is more water, keep the flame in very slow. Give a small stir with a spoon. See to it whether the bottom is not sticky with the noodles. It will take hardly 10 to 5 minutes. See to it till it cooks, till it should be cut from the knife. Only that much, don't overcook it. It will not be taste good and it will be sticky more. It started boiling. It will be better if you take bigger vessel so that we can stir it very easily. Here it's spilling over the vessel. I have changed the vessel here. You can see it. Now just hardly 1 to 2 seconds, just stir it. You can see everything has been separated. Just touch with the hands. You can just give a small touch so it will be get cut. Only that much should be cooked. Please strain this water. Clean it once or twice with the room temperature water so it will be less sticky with each other. You can add little oil at this time so that till all the Chinese masalas has been prepared, it will be separated from each other, or else it will be sticky. Let it be there, cool down completely. Keep a wok or a bada kadai. Put 1/4 cup of oil. Just spread on every side of the wok so it will not get sticky. Add ginger. Add garlic. The ginger and garlic should be of same amount, and the green chili. Here it's one spicy one. You can take the non-spicy chili. Keep the flame on very high. Let the raw smell go. Don't overcook the ginger and garlic. It will not taste good for Chinese noodles. Just stir sometime. Add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, stir it. Mix very well. Add the veggies like julienne cutting veggies of cabbage, capsicum, carrot and give a mix. Cook till it get little crunchy. Add little salt only for the veggies like 1/8 teaspoon. Add noodle masala 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoon. It is very salty, so please check the put according to your quantity. Add the noodles and mix with 2 spoons so it can be mixed properly. Mix it like this, how I showed. You can taste it and see whether all the ingredients are proper or not. Put spring onion, which is cut in the small with the scissor. Don't cut with the knife, it will not seem good. Put 1/2 cup of spring onion, it will be very taste good. Keep the flame in the slow medium and let it cook. Take little oil in the pan. Start preparing the chicken. I have taken the boiled chicken with some salt and chili powder. Whistle for 2 to 3 whistles. Now keep on high flame. Fry. Add some noodle masala, little tomato sauce and fry on high flame. Add little pepper. Stir continuously. I have shredded this chicken. It will be better to eat. So you can also do the same. Mix very well. Stir it till it gets fried for some time. Add little more sauce if you feel it is less. Add 3 eggs, 3 to 4 eggs. Add little salt. Now start stirring from the middle, then combine with the chicken. Now cook till the egg is cooked. Stir continuously. It's been prepared. You can add this in the noodles and give a mix with the 2 spoons. Mix with 2 spoons, it will be easy to mix. Mix how I do.